Hi everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to use the Instagram frame for your stories. So, let's get started. First, make sure you're using a latest version of Instagram. Go to the App Store or Play Store and search for Instagram and update it if needed. Then, open the Instagram app. In the top left corner, tap on your story. Scroll down and select a photo from your gallery. At the top of the screen, tap the stickers icon. From the menu, select the frames option. Then, scroll down and choose an image from your gallery to use it as the frame. You can either select a same photo or choose a different one based on your preference. Then, after selecting the image, you can add caption to your frame if you'd like. Once you're satisfied, tap on Done at the top right corner. Adjust the frame's position on your story to your liking. Tap on your story in the bottom left corner to share it. Viewing the frame, for your viewers to see the frame, they can either tap on it or shake their phone to reveal it. And that's it. You've successfully added a frame to your Instagram story. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching!